Ready for day 2? Are you ready? Are you excited? I know you're excited. You're so excited. Oh yeah, I can feel your excitement levels. My hair's a mess. I have no makeup on. Welcome to my life. This is daily vlogging. Let's do this. Now, if you just stumbled on this channel, let me just take a quick second to introduce myself. My name's Joanna. You can call me Yo, and I am currently in a 21-day daily vlog / fitness challenge. By the way, there is a giveaway involved. So if you want the details for the giveaway, you need to read the description below because it is all posted there. Follow the description, details, whatever. Today, I thought I'd just share with you guys my food. It's day 2. Today I decided to try bullet coffee. So a bullet coffee is basically, you put in a little bit of coconut oil. I put in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. I put 1 teaspoon of honey. Ideally you want like pure honey. This is kind of garbage honey, but I just use this. I put away my blender, put it up in my magic bullet, blend, 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 blend. And out you come with this like kind of creamy, frothy coffee. I also meal prepped these 8 cups, so I'm going to take 2 of these, warm it up. This counts as 1 protein container on the 21-day fix. So I'm going to have this with my coffee. All right, so I'm about to have my second meal. I had a snack. I had 1 purple container of cantaloupe, which is my fruits. I'm allowed to have 2 containers of fruits a day, and I did a little bit of shopping at the most expensive grocery store in the world, Whole Foods, and I accidentally stole cilantro. Complete accident. So for my second meal, I'm about to make, I put ground turkey with taco seasoning, and I'm gonna take 2 corn tortillas, homemade salsa that I made, add some cilantro to that, put that all together, and that is going to be my second meal on the program. Then I'm gonna let that digest for about an hour, and then I'm going to do my workout for the day. So that is going to be my meal, and then I'll probably eat like a dessert, which I'll show you guys. And I just put it in this little bowl because it's easier to hold, and I'm starving. I cannot wait to eat it. Hopefully I don't die like I died yesterday. I'm about to eat my dinner, so I'm going to show you guys what I am going to make and how I'm going to fit it into my program. First of all, yes, I know my phone is smashed up. It is messed up. That is from the gym, from when it fell once. But if you guys are wondering how I'm keeping track of my food, this is the app, the 21-day fix. I just downloaded it straight from the App Store. As you can see, I'm on day 2, and this is how I keep track. So I'm going to hit all my food today, except I went over by half a carb, but that's fine. I'm already at over 2 liters of water, and this is how you keep track. As simple as that. I'm gonna put my food in, and then you just, with the arrows when you're done. This is my last meal of the night before my snack. I put this has turkey in it, which I measured in my lovely container. Then I put 1.5 container portions of spinach, and then I added in my salsa, and that will be my dinner for the night. So I'm gonna end the video here because I'm really not feeling well at all. It just all of a sudden hit me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If so, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, it's over here. And I will catch you guys in tomorrow's episode, day 3. I have no energy right now, so bye.